Hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. This is Spring Clean 25, an open collaboration for the month of April. If you're interested in joining, see the information in the description box below. We're going to be cleaning our outside of our refrigerators. We'll still need to get to the backsplash and vent hood on another video, hopefully sometime in the near future. So let's get started. I am doing a bit of a voiceover because the video did not have a good recording. I will be using an all-natural, all-purpose cleaner. I will give you the ingredients and recipe in the description box below the video. I hope that you will try this product out. I will be using it with some baking soda and a little bit of dish soap as well. So my first step is going to be, of course, to unload the top, which shouldn't have anything on there, but we do keep a couple of things up there. Get rid of all of the magnets and everything on the refrigerator. I've got a refrigerator, a deep freeze, and a small refrigerator over here. So we're going to try to get all three of those in this episode. Y'all stick around. We're going to get to cleaning. Okay, I did run a dust rag over this just to try to get some of the dust off, and then I'm going to show you the other ones. And I'm not going to be able to reach all the way to the back side of the big refrigerator. It's not perfect, but it is cleaner than it was, trust me. And this had a lot of grime on my door handles, and it is clean. This cleaner works really, really well. I did use a little bit of dish soap and baking soda and this all-purpose cleaner. So that's what I use to clean my refrigerators. So let's take a closer look. Now I'm going to decide if I'm going to put all of those magnets back on my refrigerators or not. I'm going to go through the bags and wash the ones that I'm going to put on there in the same solution and let them air dry. But y'all, it's amazing what a little bit of spring cleaning can do to refreshen your kitchen area and your appliances. Now I haven't cleaned my oven yet. I may not get to it with the spring clean, but it will be getting done. And I need to clean my vent hood and clean the filter up here on my vent hood. Those may be a video I put out later on, I don't know. Thank you so much for joining in and watching the Spring Clean 25 open collaboration through the month of April. If you're interested in joining this, all you have to do is use the hashtag SpringClean25, tag my channel with the Anderson, the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch, and use the official playlist in your description box below your video. If I don't catch it right away, please email me the hillbillychickenranch@gmail.com so that I can get you in the playlist as well. Thank you, my friends, for watching, and may you be fully blessed.